Be free, and this is for me to tell you. Hey. That is calling.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today, I don't know, this is gonna be the worst prank me ever do on Lucy. Worst prank. But you know, me have to come back for all of my team level them out there. Right, Adiana? Yes, so today me gonna basically tell him cause I don't know if most of you know say Lucy sign up for the farm work program and they are yet to call them. They already call him so them go them say when them call him them if you do if you go do medical and whatever if you go over. Now guys, Lucy they put me as the number, my number on there. If them can get to him, them will get to me. Lucy they a country and service now work a country. So I gotta just say, you know that they call me and them say like come here your wife, them say me if relate the message to you and you need to go do medical. Oh my god. Wee. Listen. This I got epic because and you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try to turn it down like a vlog and say guys, look, she have something to tell you though. You might go where them say them gonna call him back after him do not medical police record and all of them something there guys. I don't know. This I got epic bad because me know say him go glad him go jump up. Guys me the one call him. The one call him for see for hear him reaction like me that say be when you come home, you have something exciting to tell you, but the WhatsApp, the reception is up there, not working none at all. So I can't go get to him. So I have to go just wait till he come home for here. What I have to say. So just stay tuned guys. Remember to like, comment and share. Tell a friend and hit that notification bell. At the end we have to say. What have to say? So guys, yes, she had teeth guys. You can see the two little front teeth them a come up. So that's why she's so miserable most of the time. So she had teeth. So stay tuned guys. At the end of the me little bed so.
You know, say every time you touch me, please say, mommy, I'll just can't talk.
A cold time. Oh, you care about me? You care about something there?
Well, most of them are too smooth.
Okay, about fried chicken, give me some. I'll lay in the pan the road. But yeah, I want some. I see it. Baby, you have something to tell you.
What Daddy is here. Adiana.
So she has sweat.
Oi. Oi.
No, I'm putting it in. Just don't want him Cocomelon. She will.
Cocomelon!
She just passed the ball of last week.
Cocomelon, you break the color.
She just passed the ball.
What do you know why he like make me love you so?
I don't know.
Probably colors. Baby love colors.
She just passed the ball to back and wait 2 o'clock. It's forcing a long while.
Cocomelon! Go it out.
So big, guess I good news.
What?
Me tell you something, guess.
Can't guess B. I'm tired.
B, remember what you talk about from there?
What?
But you say you would do it, so I don't know if you would still do it. You say you would take the vaccine. You not take the vaccine.
Farmer? Sure.
Oh yeah, Chofa.
Me not take it. Oh what?
So you don't get to go over there?
Me, you know, me know enough people go here and travel and when they not take no vaccine.
But they take you overseas. Then take when you go overseas.
We're gonna take you when we go over there.
You not take you out.
That was Jamaica.
Well, you have to go think about that.
You go there.
B, you have to go think about it. Was either out here or over there.
We do. So why got all that come up?
Because one man called me today and no number from there.
And
Yes, remember said I always private the number, they don't give you the number when I come. Remember said he called the last time with my phone. And probably threw you the up, so. Probably threw you the up, so they never call because you didn't put my number for the don't you?
Yeah. Mommy, they might come from money and get me.
Exactly. So
So you must say.
the man called me and says, this Mr. Luciana Boucher wife, and I say yes. And he said, well, I have good news, I need him to, you know, we're not going to full tell a story, man say. But the man say,
you have to tell me story, man, so why you not going to tell me why, man, say that no make no sense.
But the most important thing is that you tell myself you go do your police record. And he says, as soon as you do your police record, you need to come up and town.
I know, but send them,
Send them it, yeah.
I don't know, man, I don't know where you go. That depends. When you say me if you do come up there?
He say if you do your police record first. Because remember, say them are going to recruit some people to go up there. Either mountain or December. Well, not a mountain, but December, they say if you go do your police record.
So when would you go?
But you have to go do your police record tomorrow.
I wouldn't do it tomorrow, B.
Why?
Can't just get up and jump.
B, you will get up and do your police record and then you must say you normally wait something their time before you get back the police record. Like probably 2 weeks time.
How long is them give me?
All of they say them give you, then say as soon as them give you probably 3 weeks. And you know say police record can do in less than 1 week. So they say them give you 3 weeks. If you get it before 3 weeks time.
You're glad but me if you think more TV.
But you think about it for me, I go miss you. But the good thing about it is you get the opportunity to go overseas, B, better opportunity for me. We can't have no poverty all the day of my life. You want to have poverty, we are your family first, like. You want to take my family out of poverty and you want to take your family out of poverty. At this are your opportunity, B. At this is what we are praying for. I can't stand it.
I see me plan Irish and something.
B, you still can't plant it.
But more than go it, maybe about February then I make me go it.
Yeah, but
so a big move that so.
But a big move, the fact remains so you still going to get figure. The fact remains so you still going to get figure, you know. As much as all them say, alright, they have to do the police record, them will call the car as soon as the police record done, you still going to get figure and then reach out to your B.
For me at the time, that's what if you call me to, you know. Come here, say, oh, they don't call me yet. But
Me, I tell you, say, me, I go buy some. No, must be. I go buy some. I must say Canada cold, you know.
No, be when I go over there, I buy clothes.
You don't buy clothes when you go over there, but you don't know where place them.
That my cousin and Canada go
so you don't buy you at least 2 jackets, so you know, say, when you work, you just remember your wife or your daughter and say, why do you buy me this? Do you know me?
Yeah, me happy be about me, I think about
me. We are think, boy, I gotta do this for you, I gotta do this for you.
Oh, God, no, I plan to take over trips, so why I gotta do
me? No matter, God knows say your immune system strong and God knows what you do. If God never know what you're doing, he would make them call you.
Well, God, this now. I'll do a big move right now, because I think about he said, I go on it, could have carried down 5 iPhone and do and give away on the channel.
You must be. You know, so the whole long distance, the 2 channels them straight.
No, I work on the channel when I go over it.
Well, you can't
work with both
of family because, right, you can work both of me still work the Lucia and Lovell. I can go down and mommy, I can make tiny the company and can still do video. I can go down and chase them and still do video same way.
Yeah, Adiana can
do Adiana still can do video, give them life update and something. Give them story time, you know me good for story time. B, I best opportunity for you. You might say, you're not going to take the vaccine out here, but you can go for and go take it.
If them are going to make me do that?
If them are going to make you do that, but you be...
Oh, but more rats not come could have end up buy a piece of land, see me.
You want to take your family, them and you fill your family them out of poverty. You know, so we are struggling down here. As much as I say, I don't love playing right now and something. By 2-3 years later, me and Adiana fly out. I must be. Because remember saying once they call you, they not stop calling you.
Not true.
When you go up there February 6 months time, you come back down by next time again, 2 months time or 3 months time, then I call you back if you go back up there. And non-stop behind you. Me, you see like when you're young and fresh and not even reach 30 yet, you can do 20 years.
No, that's so much so much.
Yet be, me not say, you don't have to do that now because 5 years time you're rich, you know.
Because maybe you know me.
Because you know you invest in a land, you invest in a property, you can invest in so many things. But me I say, if you do 20 years of that, you're a millionaire. You hear me tell that?
Look at me.
But you not do so
much.
much.
I could have 25 years and I don't fish you know.
Because if you know when did I do?
Seeing this morning, must target venture and seeing this morning.
You hear that?
Beg me father him go.
Be you see that? Yeah, 25 years him go that pension him again.
They say my very open my NCB. Man not about fear for go man.
Jesus Christ.
Workless.
I'm workless, that's all. But me I tell you be, once I get that opportunity, me know you can't save. Me know you. And I hear about if you're not going to save me. I ever say, but me say you go hold the money as in, you know.
No, but me have to send it come out there.
Yeah, if you send it come out here, but you know say me hold them that same way. You know me hold them. When you come, me by the time you come out, probably we will get a piece of land for NHT or we get a house, anything where you want to do. But you must, I'm gonna provide this away for you. Can't stand it. Can't stand it. Be I'm not saying nothing to nobody, make God have his way. You hear? Just sit down and pray about it. See what we are praying about if you take our family out of poverty and something. We not suffer now, you know. I know like we are suffering now. But sometimes we have to come out of our area where we live in to actually strive and be a better person. Because if we stand in there so the rest of our life, we not going to see no growth in our life, our relationship. I remember say every time anywhere we go, if we always put God first because I gotta do this way. And God make real so far. Remember when we did just start out which part we did live and which part we live now? And we have picnic. You understand they gotta do this stuff away so. Remember see a private number so we can't call them back. Right. And they don't call me.
You have their number.
You have their number, you can go to Mandeville, go get their number when you deal with the police.
No, I have their number in my phone.
Oh, you have their number?
You probably took me down your phone and pick up them.
But you don't see a private number. Last time a private number they call me.
593 number them I call.
Probably. And it's in the bank and I charge for money. But be, you know, see a private number they didn't call me upon last time. And I same thing they do this time.
Big move, right? I spend a lot of my life chasing after this world. I didn't realize it will never fill my soul. Adriana, that Jesus found me and rescued me, saved my soul, and he set me free, and he said for me to tell you, Adriana, that he's calling on you. To be rooted and grounded in the name of the Lord. Rooted and grounded by the how much man right here? Holy Ghost. And if you want to go to heaven, you have to be rooted and grounded. Rooted and grounded in the name of the Lord. Like you're gonna make you proud now, you're still there.
You're still there.
You know when baby, you know?
We're gonna miss Dada, but I say go. Dada better opportunity for me here. We'll miss Dada.
Adriana, I'll catch a grenade for you. You know what do anything for
But
you.
then after worry that you have your passport and something already.
Everything ready, man.
Everything ready, me. You don't say you come back.
I don't know, miss this.
You're not by yourself.
What?
Let me make sure sort you out, man. Sort you out before you leave.
Okay, back.
And call you back. Call you every day.
But they can't call me, and all long time still.
You couldn't call you long time still.
No problem. Take no vaccine still, maybe.
Be so you go do. Be able to go. Something they sort out the suitcase.
Well, I can't remember what suitcase I brought.
You're bright.
You can't go for now, but
That's what I want to do.
No, all back on me. All back the time, I had the pants in me.
You're going to think I'm going to do your clothes them for your foot. Don't you? Everything new. Underpants new. Shorts new. Shirt new. New trim. Everything you not can old broke back at your be.
No
old broke. The only thing I go care old broke at your phone.
Not over my phone. Not you, Adriana. Why? The vote is still hard.
We are think Bobby.
Me know it's a big move.
Be a
man.
lot of person take the vaccine still and not none of them don't go think they
Yeah.
have a side effect
You
as
when
they
you when
just
woman saying I taxi to you, saying take fee, me just wait for the time
Time
for
for
dead.
dead.
Okay. So if you are taking your hard out, you have to make up your mind and tell yourself say nah deal.
Jaja. Can't be say woman this is a do, but yeah, everybody immune system different. And they come like say Jamaica make it mandatory no days for take it.
Like you don't matter about no hospital for you, okay. And you no collect no tax for me then, simple.
Nothing, but we not collect, they not do
Why
over
not?
here. I will tell them I collect tax from where? Oh, the bank.
Everything we then do then collect tax. All food and something tax come up right when you go there then for access say vaccination card, collect tax from them. Unvaccinated, no tax.
But I didn't sweat on it and not December already.
Adiana. It looks at me, you know, take off her pants.
Don't care, she can go and give me man. Be say you not tell the people them. Me I record that moment,
Okay,
yeah.
now put on them a snap on internet, you're mad. Can't see me, can't come through yet and you put something on internet, you're mad.
Now record the moment.
B,
So guys.
Nobody record nothing. You're mad.
So guys.
B, stop. Not to come through yet, I talk. Not to make up my mind, say me I go. I'm just happy seeing you still. Just at the end of me, I think we'll say.
So guys.
So that makes sense.
Ooh, you bright Lucio, you carried them.
I want something for me, baby. So.
Look at oh.
So why so long?
Why look at them?
Lie. I tell you. 1 minute so long. Spin it around something. B.
Eh?
Spin this.
At least me that's win.
Right, since I didn't still right.
So guys, Lucia gets to go away.
So, how you want to say? What you want? I say, yo, I say, I did kind of take care of my list, you know.
Why?
I say, something you can cancel until you're ready, you know. I can tell them, say, I'm not going to go this year because of the pandemic, you know. I'm scared for my life, and say. That my cousin do. And just go back with you.
It was a good prank though.
I'm going to kill up and happy.
Adiana looked at me this morning and said, Mommy, don't do it. We still do it.
Alright.
So I go be.
Nah.
So I go get the opportunity when the time comes. But we did just
But
have
I
to
to
prank.
kill up myself right now.
Me know you're not kill up
The son
yourself.
land more, Papa more fi give me the land, the man can you know and give me it. Right now, guys, my grandfather admit hospital again. Swell. This time means swell. You want to see man pants them come back. When you have a woman have anti jeans.
You're rough, guys. Just keep Lucia grandfather in your prayers.
When if you don't know what to think about making you heaven, but me know my family them a go feel that when me say this, but the truth. My grandfather right now, I'm a kill up right now of him. I need to about workland. I'm going to land born up for him. My grandfather almost 90-year-old. When I kill up for workland, bro, and he can't do it. I remember saying his son and his daughter, them are feeding life, live same. I depend on them for planting. I said to him, say, Papa, give me land them, me work it, and when he come in, share for me.
Yeah.
No one that he want all for himself, so he must know. Because me I say, there's everything put by internet, but truth me now. Because the day I make you feel like say, oh, cause a lot of people personally say, I love Lucia grandfather. You see my grandmother, there's no fault. I can't tell
Love
her
your
that.
grandmother.
But my grandfather, I'm not afraid to talk. I'm no business. Who want to feel away for truth. I'm tell them in front of them face enough time, so I don't feel away. Can't tell them no see me coming. And I'm going to do their feet to say, oh, everything
family,
behind
yeah.
camera, everything
Yeah.
alright. You know, alright, guys. I'm going to tell them the truth. You see me? Yeah, so I eat that.
So yes, guys, stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And hit that notification bell and comment down below if this was a banger. Remember to follow us on Instagram at Nick_111 and Lucy_Romy_Lucy. Sorry. Bye, guys.